Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. Guys, it is Sunday, March 17th, and I am at Dollar General up bright and early, ready to show you this incredible deal. I can't believe this deal is this good. All I can say is do not sit and watch this whole video. Put your shoes on, grab your keys, start your car up, and let the video play while you're in the car. Have someone taking notes or doing screenshots or something, but you have to get to Dollar General now because they just gave us some new coupons and some cashbacks that are going to combine. And I don't know how long these are going to be up on the app. They may pull them at any minute, but you need to go take advantage because you know that with the glitching things, you never know how long you're going to be able to get those deals with those digital coupons. So before I jump into it, go ahead and hit that subscription button and pound that bell right next to it. That way you get notified every time I put up a new video. So guys, the very first thing that we're going to deal with is going to be a digital coupon for $5 off when you make a purchase of $15. This is what the coupon looks like. And the different products that are included, there's a lot of products that are included. It's all, so you can get the different all products. You can get the different Purex detergent. You can get the all pods, or I don't know, packs, whatever you call them. And then you can also get the Purex crystals. There's a number of things that are included. You can also get the Persil products. You can get the Snuggle dryer sheets, and it's just a number of deals that you can get. But I'm going to show you the way that I'm going to do it. But you do it the best way that's best for you and your family. So here I'm just going to scroll through and let you see the different products that are included. You can see it's different products and different sizes. The large ones, the small ones, and a lot of them have other digital coupons and things that attach. But I'm going to show you what I'm going to do, and you can decide what's best for you. Okay, guys, so the first item that I'm going to grab is going to be this here Persil Pro Clean. And ignore this price. It's not $7.50. It is actually, one second. It is actually $9.95. It's regularly $10.95, but it's on sale this week for $9.95. And guys, look, there is a $2 digital coupon that attaches. And then you see this 5 off of 15 attaches. Now, you might be saying, how can you use the $2 and the $5 together? Because the $2 coupon is the manufacturer coupon. And how do you know that? Because you see it says Persil at the top. The $5 off 15 coupon is a Dollar General coupon. And you know that because it says Dollar General at the top. Okay, and then look, guys, it also has a $2.50 cash back offer. Now, the only way that you can use all three of these together is if you go to an old system store. How do you know if you're at an old system store? That means that there is a keyboard at the register. If the register has a touch screen, it is a new system store, and you won't be able to use all three. You'll only be able to use the $2 off and the $5 off. But if you're at an old system store, you can use all three of these. And that's what makes this deal so great. And that's why I'm telling you to run to Dollar General, because I'm not sure how long these coupons are going to be on the app. Okay, so guys, that is only $9.95. So you know we have to get our total up to $15. So we're going to grab another item. Now, The other item that I'm going to grab, and like I said, I showed you all the different items that will work, but the other item that I'm going to grab is going to be a bottle of Purex liquid, and I have to see if they even have it. Let me go around the corner here. Yep, there it is. Okay, so I'm going to grab some of this Purex liquid, and ignore that price. It's not $4. 1 second here. Wait a minute. That one is $4, but I'm looking for the bigger one. I'm looking for the one that is $5 and some. Maybe my store doesn't have it. The $6 one. 1 second, guys. Let me look around the store some more. Okay, guys, so I looked all over the store and I cannot find the liquid, but that's okay. We're still going to get an excellent deal. But this is just a reminder that the app is not always right. The app is run by a third-party company, so it may say that they have stock on the app, and when you get to the store, they don't. Or it may say that they don't have stock on the app and you get to the store and they do. So don't always go by the inventory that's on the app. It is not always accurate. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to grab some of the Purex packs or pods, whatever they're called, instead of the liquid. It's still going to be an incredible deal. So if you can find the liquid at your store, that is the 75 ounce for $5.75, you can grab that. Or you can grab the Purex pods, but make sure you get the 28 count. The only way this deal will work is if you get the 28 count. And the shelf is right. They are $5.75. When you scan them into the app, then this $1.50 manufacturer coupon pops up. So we're going to use that. And then we're also going to use the 5 off of 15. So whichever way you do your deal, scan your items into the app and make sure that 5 off of 15 is attaching. And guys, just like the liquid, look, we have a cashback offer of $1.25. But remember, the only way this will work is if you are at an old register store. All 3 of these will attach. So let's review our deal. So we're going to get these power packs and we're going to get this liquid, okay? And that should bring us well over our $15 mark that we need to get to. Okay, so the Purex packs are $5.75 and the liquid is $9.95. So that means that our actual total is going to be $15.70. So we are perfectly good to use our 5 off of 15 coupon. So let's head up to the register and let's see what our out of pocket is. Okay, guys, so I am back in the car. Everything went fine at the register. Let's go over our receipt. There is the Purex for $5.75 with the store discount of $1.74. Where you see the store discount, that is where the 5 off of 15 is going to come out. So if you add all the store discounts up, it will come out to $5. And there's our $1.50 digital coupon, manufacturer coupon that came off. There is the Persil for $9.95. The $3.20 store discount. You add $3.26 and $1.74, you get $5. And then there's the $2 digital coupon. So my subtotal was $7.20. We're not going to discuss tax because everyone's tax is different in every city, state, and borough. But here we go with the glitch, guys. Just to verify that it is working. Here you see, I got back $2.50 in cash back. So one of them did not go through, and I'm going to show you which one did not go through. So how you know I got that $2.50? Here you see my receipt. So you know it was definitely on this purchase. So the $2.50 I got back for the Persil, that is the glitch. That did work. I did not get the $1.25 for the Purex. So I'm not sure if it's just me or if you'll get it or not, but I definitely did not get it. But it's okay, guys. It's still an incredible deal because my out of pocket is just $4.70, which is great because that's like paying, not even paying full price for the power packs and getting the Persil for free. So guys, that's my deal. Let me know how you end up doing your deal. Let me know if the glitch works for you. And until the next time, keep on saving.